Hello to you, I'm Tom Simon. We are at Jack Willencheck's office, the attorney for Beijing Garden and for Super Al Ranch, Charlie Lai. Some great news to talk about today regarding Charlie Lai's Super Al Ranch case. It's called a slap case, and that's all I'm going to say. Let's go to Jack Willencheck. Jack, good to have you. Congratulations. Can you explain what it is and what happened today?
Sure, and what happened today is groundbreaking. A slap case is when somebody like a big developer sues somebody to make them stop talking, which is against the First Amendment. Under the First Amendment, you've got a right to say your mind, especially in a place like a city council meeting. What True North Companies did was they sued Charlie Lai for doing just that, for speaking his mind at a city council meeting. And I'm sorry, that's not the way it works in the United States. You've got a right to speak. You've got a First Amendment right to speak. So when they did that, we hit them back with what's called an anti-slap motion. A slap is a strategic lawsuit against public participation. So California passed a law years ago that said, you know what, we don't want people like developers suing the little guys. We don't want the big guy beating up on the little guy. You know, we want to help the David versus the Goliath. And that's the same law we had passed in 2011. It's an anti-slap law. It says we don't like people like developers, these big companies, suing little guys to shut them up.
So the investment banker at True North sued Charlie to keep him quiet, and the judge said what today?
The judge said lawsuit dismissed, and you know what? She's sanctioning True North Companies, meaning essentially penalizing them, that they have to pay all my attorney's fees. They have to pay for Charlie Lai's time away from work, even dealing with their lawsuit. That's how strong the judge's order is.
How unusual is it, Jack, not only that you get a sanction against the other side to pay the lawyer fees, but how unusual is it that you get a sanction which includes paying the other the party's fees for
time away from work?
Yeah. How unusual is that?
It's extremely unusual. In fact, I've never seen, other than that statute, that happen. To be able to get your time away from work even. And sanctions are very rare. I mean, sure, you can have attorney's fees awarded in a case, but here the court specifically did it to sanction them for trying to shut him up, for trying to suppress his First Amendment constitutional right to say his mind.
So Charlie was sued. He faced quite a bit of damages if he were to lose this suit. That is dismissed, and now he gets the sanctions. Your fees are paid by the other side. It's a good day.
Exactly. The court is punishing them for doing what they did.
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.